Developments in the Andrew Joseph civil lawsuit wrapped up just moments ago. He's that 14-year-old boy who was kicked out of the state fair and then was hit by a car as he was just trying to make his way back home. The sheriff's office is being accused of negligence.
And tonight, ABC Action News reporter Jada Williams is tracking the case from the federal courthouse and why the teenager's death could result in major changes for law enforcement.
8 years after Andrew Joseph III's death, a civil case against Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office and the State Fair Authority has finally made its way to trial.
We've had to carry this heavy, burdening story of a child whose life was compromised, knowing full well that his death was senseless and preventable.
8 years after Andrew Joseph III's death, his parents, Andrew Jr. and Deanna, finally walked inside the federal courthouse for a civil suit trial. Joseph and dozens of other teenagers were kicked out of the Florida State Fair in 2014 and not given a chance to call home. Shortly after, he was struck and killed by a car trying to cross I-4 to catch his ride home.
This case means so much to so many. A win here will be a win for families all across America.
From Michigan, from Boston. It's a case that's drawing attention from across the country. Supporters set up in front of the courthouse Monday to stand behind the Joseph family.
When we talk about why it's important to be in civil rights court today, in particular in federal court today, is because in this civil rights case, it exhibits and displays the disregard for his life.
The latest call from the family and their supporters was on full display, an end to qualified immunity.
Accountability means that when wrong is done, someone must pay.
Qualified immunity protects law enforcement from civil suits unless an official violates a, quote, clearly established statutory or constitutional right, according to Cornell law. As this trial continues over the next 2 weeks, going through a heap of evidence and files, supporters, including Jacob Blake and Emmett Till's family, will be saying Andrew Joseph III's name on the courthouse steps.
Andrew Joseph III.
In Tampa, Jada Williams, ABC Action News.